thing on? I don't see the light beeping. I don't think it's on. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you do become a part of the fam by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my newly posted videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my breakfast potatoes, which consist of potatoes, kielbasa, onions, peppers, cheese, all that good stuff. And the great thing about it is that you can make a large batch of this and you can put it in the refrigerator, warm it up for a couple days in the morning, on the go, simple. So without further ado, let's get to it. Yes, I have some potatoes. I'm going to rinse these off and I'm going to peel them. I like to have the skin still on them, so I'm going to rinse them off because I'm going to use the skin still on them when we cook them. Rinse them off. Rinse. Alright, so I'm just going to peel the potatoes. Just going to peel some areas because I like to leave the skin on them. But I'm just going to peel like just some in and out. So you can leave them completely on there if you want. I just like to just peel some. Then I'm going to cut them up. So this is like a breakfast potato. Some call it home fries. Home fries. I think I said that wrong the first time. And I like to cut them like in like little squares like this. These are just regular Idaho potatoes. Cut them up for you guys. Oh, I forgot my cutting board. I need a cutting board. I don't get it. I forgot to do that. The stove on so that I can get this hot, because you want to make sure you put your potatoes in that your skillet is hot. And since I'm almost done cutting them, I want to go ahead and turn this on a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of, look at this pan. It's flat on the side. So I'm in desperate need of a new one. And this is like my favorite one, so I'm kind of pissed off. But we're going to use it today. So add some oil in here. Get that one moved around. Just gonna get that hot. So I got a few more potatoes to cut up. I think I started with 5 or 6. That's usually with how much I usually make, because I don't eat that much when I do eat it. I like to eat it with toast. I mean, you can have eggs and all those other eggs, pancakes, whatever you eat for breakfast, but I like to eat them by itself with some toast, because you're gonna add some kielbasa in there, so you don't really need much. But that's just my preference. You guys can eat whatever you want with it. But the good thing is that in the morning when you're rushing, if you make this on a Sunday, for the week you're good. You can just warm it up. Oh, let's cut my finger. How would y'all feel about me having a nub? I don't think I would like having a nub. I better be careful. Alright, so we got all our potatoes together. They're all done, so I'm going to wash those off in the strainer, and then I'm going to just rinse them off with some water. Our grease should be hot, and then I can add them into the pan. Let them cook up. I'm going to rinse these off. My potatoes into the grease. It's really hot. Be careful, you don't want that grease popping on you. That don't feel good at all. Alright, so I'm not going to season these at all. I'm just going to Make sure that they cook evenly. You don't want to keep touching them. I'm just going to cover these and let them cook out for a few minutes, and then you could go in and check them, move them around, make sure they're not burning, and then put some seasoning on them once they get a little more tender. Don't laugh at my pan, y'all. It failed, it's broke, and I'm pissed. Okay, so while we let those potatoes cook, I'm going to cut up my onion and my pepper. Hate getting this thing out here. I'm gonna just leave these like this. Watch your fingers now. Ain't nobody having no nuts. Even had. There's my onions. I'm gonna start with my pepper. I'll put the rest of this off. There's a burn in my eyes. You hear the potatoes cooking over there? Getting done. My eyes are burning. Ooh, my onions are burning. Let's see, eyes. So I'm just going to check on the potatoes. Leave them well. Getting brown. So now I'm going to season them and add the peppers in. So I went ahead and seasoned this with some Lawry seasoning salt. Got some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some pepper. Trying not to break these up while I'm mixing them because I don't want them to fall apart. That's why I have a spatula so I can make sure I'm not stirring, but I'm just picking up and lifting and moving them around. I was supposed to add the peppers in. I'm going to wait to add the peppers in because I want these to cook a little bit more. I don't want the onions and peppers to be soggy, so I'm just going to let this cook down a little bit longer. So while I wait for those potatoes to cook down, I'm going to cut some kielbasa up. I have turkey kielbasa. Use whatever kind you want. Let's cut these up. And then I'll add everything up at one time. Add everything in at one time. The onions, the peppers, the kielbasa. They smell real good, and the potatoes have color already to them, so I'm going to add everything in as soon as I cut this up. I'm just cutting them straight in half. I'm going to cut them again just so it can be moved around a little bit in here. Alright, so let's take the lid off of that. The colors nice on these, and now add in my peppers. sausage and onions. Of course, you guys can smell this. It smells so good in here. I'm just adding everything in. I like when I go a little crispy side, like a little more brown to them. So this is perfect for me adding this stuff in. If you need to add a little bit more oil, add some more oil. So I'm gonna let these simmer, well not simmer but fry up a little bit more, and then they will be done. Alright, so the potatoes are exactly the color I want them to be. The onions and peppers cooked down. The kielbasa fried down. So this is the color I prefer them to be. Like a little brown on them. Perfect. So these are all finished. So I'm going to let these sit a little bit, but I'm going to plate them and put some cheese on the top. Some sharp cheddar cheese. Take a little bit, put it in the bowl. How good that is. Sharp cheddar cheese on top. Now these are still hot, so it's going to melt the cheese down. So let that sit and let it melt the cheese a little bit. So here are our finished breakfast potatoes, guys. They look so good. Look at all those colors. Can't wait to eat this. I just can't wait. And here's the potatoes with the melted cheese on top. Like I said, you can make these on a Sunday, you know, put some in the refrigerator, you know, and in the morning when you get up to go to work, you can already have your breakfast done. Make some toast, and that's about it. So I'm just gonna dig into this thing right here. Get everything. Those are delicious. Alright guys, so I'm signing off. Make sure if you're not a subscriber, you do subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so you know when I post new videos. I thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.